Hi everyone, this is Benson. Today we are unboxing the brand new PooLin EOV embroidery machine. Are you ready? Let's open it up and see what we have got. Before opening the crate, please take a moment to inspect the exterior carefully. If you notice any damage, please contact us, and now let's get ready to open the crate. You may also notice some sawdust on the surface of the crate. To avoid the accidental injury, we strongly recommend wearing work gloves during the unpacking. First, make sure you have a flat hand screwdriver handy. Let's remove the top panel. Press down gently on the latch with one hand. With your other hand, slide the flat hand screwdriver under the latch and pull it upward. The latch should come off easy. See, it's all about the right technique. Using the same method, remove the remaining latches on the top panel. Once the latches are off, insert the screwdriver into the gap between the panels and lift upward. Now, you can remove the top panel with ease. Next, we will remove the front panel using the same method, followed by the side panels. At this stage, the crate may less stable, so it's best to have someone assist by holding it steadily. Now you can take out the dividers and some of the accessories. Remove the final wooden panel, and then take out the remaining accessories. Loosen the tension straps and remove the dust cover. Inside, you will find 4 boxes and 1 tote bag, along with 2 machine stands and an embroidery start kit. Box 1 includes 5 embroidery hoops and 1 pair of arm supports. Box 2 includes the 1 cup frame and 1 hat hoop. Box 3 includes 4 machine support feet and 4 round base plates. And finally, the white box contains the power adapter. Now it's time to remove the machine itself. Please be careful. Do not lift the machine directly at this point. The machine is secured to the base of the crate to prevent removal during transportation and avoid damage. Next, take the wrench from the tote bag. If you look underneath the machine, you will see that 2 corners are bolted to the wooden base. Using the wrench, loosen the screws from the bottom of the crate and carefully remove them. Now, let's install the machine support feet. You will notice the machine has 4 handles. Lift the machine slightly using one handle, then attach a support foot to the bottom. Repeat this process for all 4 corners. Once completed, the machine will be standing securely on its own. With all support feet installed, now you can lift the machine out of the crate. Carefully move it forward, then remove the wooden baseboards underneath. Okay, that's all for this video. If you would like to know more about the EOV, please like, subscribe, and see you next time.